Is there too much content in the document? Is the information needed in the document too scattered? The Extract Pages feature in WPS can help us solve the problem quickly. With just one click, we can extract one or more pages from a PDF file. For example, in this long investigation report, we need to extract the first, third, and last pages of this document and summarize them into a new document. Click Tools, select Edit, and find the Extract Page feature. In the PDF page thumbnail window, select the first page, the third page, and the last page. Confirm Extract. Save it. Open the new document after extraction, and find that all the pages we need are in the new document. With just one click, we can complete the extraction and eliminate tedious operations, making document organizing easier. This feature is exclusive to members. You're welcome to open WPS Premium to enjoy it immediately. Did you get it?